Thought I'd just make a little video showing you how to use the deformers in this Sarah Birdson rig. Um, yeah, the same thing can be applied to the Shano and Gaza rig, which both have deformers. Gaza has it in his head, in his brow, and Shano has it in his little hair things, like in each one of his four hair things. And the same technique applies, like this is how you use deformers basically. All right, so with the transform tool selected, you click on the piece that has a deformer in it. So in this rig, I've got a deformer in the hair. I've got a deformer around this necklace bit. I've got a deformer in each leg as well. And that's for multiple views. All right, so with the piece selected, with the transform tool, you click on this little thing here, show selected deformers and hide all others. If you click it, it'll bring up the deformer that I've put in there. And to actually like move stuff around, you just grab these handles. Like you can grab any part of it, but for the hair, I would mainly just grab this one here, just to give a little bit of bounce if you need to, or this one here. Keep in mind that, yeah, if you do it too far, she goes bald, so be careful with that. And I actually have like a different deformer for each view as well. So you just go to the next frame, and yeah, I've got another deformer placed as well, which does the same thing. And this button is how you bring up one deformer at a time. If you want to see multiple deformers, say if you want to see both the leg deformers at the same time, you use the transform tool, click on the piece with the deformer in it, and you press this one to show it. And then you can select another piece and then press this second one with the two things. And this is how you show multiple deformers. So you click that and they both come up at the same time. And if I want to show the head, I can do the same thing. And this little necklace bit, same thing. And that's for multiple views as well. So yeah, and if you want to hide the deformers, like just get rid of them so you're back to normal, is this gray, I don't even know what this is, but this gray line thing here. You just click on that and they all go away. Same thing if you just click on one and you don't want to see it anymore, you just click on this and they go away. And you can like fully, yeah, you can like animate these deformers. So I'll show you how to do like, I'll show you what the legs are kind of capable of. So it's a bone deformer. This leg is all one piece and it's just got a deformer over it with kind of like a bone that's been put in here. And you can change the size of this circle, and that changes the amount of the area affected. And you can just like grab the end bit and do stuff like this and move it around. And it may look like it's breaking here, like tearing, but in the actual render view, it's not. So just be mindful of that. If you look like it's pushing too far and you're worried about it, just check the render view, and it'll probably be all right. And yeah, so yeah, this should be more than enough to do what she's doing. But yeah, I think this bone deformer thing is a good way to go, and I might use it in the rest of the stuff, like for the ibis and stuff. Yeah, maybe use this when she's like talking or something. I don't know. You can jiggle this around. And I think this one, yeah, this button here resets the deform as well. So if you just want to play around with it and mess with it and move it around and shit, and then you move it a bunch of times and can't control Z it and undo it enough, you just press this one here and it just goes back. I'm pretty sure it works for both of them. Yep. Yeah. Anyway, that's it.